Hey everyone, this is a quick and to the point instructional video on how to set up your Dremel workstation. This is the model 22001. When I set this up the first time, the issue I ran into was connecting these two posts. I didn't quite understand what was going on there, and the instructions weren't very helpful. This larger post does come with two caps. You're going to remove both of those. You take the smaller posts, put it inside the larger post, and the way this holds together is just through a twisting lock motion, like so. You just twist it. Unfortunately, it does look kind of janky, but that's how it goes together. The base, you will need to insert the supplied bolt and nut. You will place that inside like so, and tighten it down. I'd recommend using a wrench if you have one. This assembly just goes over the top of that with the nut on the inside of this locking mechanism right here. You just tighten that down like so. Now this portion that holds all of your tools and bits will just go directly over that. And then the top portion that holds the additional Dremel, if you choose to buy that, goes up top like so, and the cord drapes over. This is how this operates, going up and down. I will mention this portion here, which is used to loosen the assembly and provide different angles of cutting or drilling. Make sure you do not unscrew this from the frame. If you pull it out, it is really hard to line it up and get it back in there. And then as far as the Dremel goes, this is just inserted, and there is a nut on the bottom that you can tighten with this supplied tool here. And as it's tightened down, the locking button here is exposed, and then you're just able to use it as a drill press. So hopefully this video helped you. Thank you very much for watching.